Hi, I'm Rod Deichman with Library Workshops.
And I'm Robin Deichman.
Well, join us this summer on a quest to make the library an exciting, vibrant community hub once again by registering for a free lecture, workshop, class, or special event.
Now, you don't even need a library card, nor do you need to be affiliated with any particular district. Simply choose a workshop, RSVP, and we'll see you at the library. It's that simple.
No, it really is. And this summer we have more than 70, count them, 70 fun and completely hands-on adventures to explore and experience. I mean, everything from cupcake decorating to cake pop bread and pasta making to crocheting, pencils, colored pencils, and more. I mean, we're going to cover it all.
Well, we also have a variety of wellness, small business, and financial workshops, a local Tolkien Society meetup, a sign language class, a Fitness Over 50 workshop, and more.
Well, and the best part is, as always, all of these events are taught by your friends, your family, and your co-workers, all doing what they can to bring awareness and advocacy back to the library.
Now, below you'll find a link to our summer catalog. Please give it a few moments. Choose a workshop, or two, RSVP, and help make the library great again. A place where everyone can learn, explore, experience, and teach.
Well, thanks everybody for your time. Again, I'm Rod Deichman.
And again, I'm Robin Deichman.
And we'll see you at the library. Well, that was really good.